Hey everyone, this is Cameron Gutierrez. This is my first recording for our 5 new technologies assignment. So the first uh, choice in technology that I made was 99 Math. This is a great tool for just quick, easy math games. You can play them in the class. It's similar to Kahoot in that sense, but different from Kahoot. You can also assign homework through it. It's free. All it takes is signing up. You can sign up as an educator or sign up as the student. I actually believe that the students do not have to sign up though. Uh, but so I guess in this particular case, since I'm signed in as a teacher, this will be directed towards the teacher. Um, so aside from signing up, you sign up. It's very quick and easy. They don't ask for anything too crazy. Um, you sign in, and this is pretty much what you're left with. They ask a little bit about your teaching style and how you assign homework and everything like that, and the grade level that you're teaching. And you get in here, and it's pretty quick and easy to make say, you want to do a multiplication game. You choose your range of numbers. We'll do 1 through 10 times 1 through 10, and then choose game mode. No, I guess real quick, here's what the students will see. They're given the equation, and then they can type in on their keyboard the answer, or they can use the on-screen keyboard. So you choose game mode, and then you get here, you choose whether or not you want live game or homework, and the difference basically, they're similar questions, everything like that. The format for the student is going to be similar. Again, the live game is just going to be more like Kahoot, so they'll be using their computer or whatever to punch in their answers, and they can kind of make it competitive and fun and everything like that. Or you can assign it as homework, so we'll do that in this case. You will get the link, share it with your students, and then they play within the allotted time frame that you're giving them, and then whenever they're finished, all the results will send to your student or your teacher account, and that way you can take a look at see how all of your students are doing, and it does say specifically what they're missing, everything like that. So it's really quick and easy. Setting up a game and creating an account and signing in, everything like that can be done in like 5 minutes. So that's awesome. The ISTE standards that align with this are going to be ISTE EL 3B, build the confidence and competency of educators to put the ISTE standards for students and educators into practice. And then ISTE 4B, ensure that resources for supporting the effective use of technology for learning are sufficient and scalable to meet future demands. So this is definitely going to be scalable if math ever changes. However, I don't think it's going to. So that is it for this first one.